Hello YouTube, Sean here from Grunge Grad with my lovely assistant Alexa. Today we're going to be opening the Safety First Home Check Ear Scope. What they don't tell you about toddlers is that they tend to get 5 or 6 ear infections a year, at least that's the average, so I'm told. Alexa's already had 2 since she's been 2 years old. So I'm getting tired of going and waiting in doctor's offices just to find out that she does or doesn't have a ear infection. So I invested in the Safety First Home Check Ear Scope. So we're going to open it up, take a look at it, and Alexa, you want to help Dad open it?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Okay, you want to pull it out?
Yeah.
Alright, pull it out. Okay, so we got our instructions with some images of what a good ear, healthy ear, and an unhealthy ear looks like. A user guide. Alexa's already demoing the ear scope. Looks like we get. Alexa, can you show us what we got there? Looks like we get 2 replaceable tips with it, and the ear scope itself. And Alexa is demoing it. Alexa, we need to put a tip on it first.
Yeah.
Can Daddy borrow it? Yep. Or maybe. Oh, I see. So they're replaceable tips. So you can put an extended tip or a short tip on it. So those are the 3 tips we get with it. Different size openings. So there's a big tip, medium, small. We're going to put this guy on for now. And and a button. Button lights up and looks like you look through things. Alexa, can I look in your ear?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Yeah, well, it seems to work. Lights up. You can see a picture coming through it. Alexa, can the Daddy see again? Not really sure what I'm looking at. I'll have to study the manual here, but it seems to work fine. You want to switch tips, Alexa?
Yeah.
Alright, put the other tip on. So, anyways, I'll maybe use it a little bit and maybe put up a review at the end of this video. Let Daddy get it positioned, okay? You can hold it, but Daddy needs to position it, okay? Alright, so I've looked in here a few times now. It seems to work. Like it's, you definitely takes a little knack to get it in the right spot. With her, definitely the smaller tip is the right thing to use. If you can get it in there, it seems to illuminate enough that you can see the eardrum. And, in this case, your ears look very healthy. So, yes, overall, I think for it's good value for your money. It wasn't overly expensive. I think it was. I think it's going to help me avoid some unnecessary trips to the doctor. So at least now I can check her ears before we go and have a pretty good idea of whether she's got an ear infection or not. Anyways, that's it. Sean and Alexa from Grunge Grad signing out. Can you say bye, Alexa?
Bye.
Bye.
Take your turn. Take that off.
Take that off. Alright. Oh, we gotta put that back on.
No, don't.
Can Daddy look in your ear?
No. Don't. Take that off.
Okay, we can take it off, but then we have to put another one on, okay? Which one do you want to put on?
Don't. Put it away.
Put it away?
Yeah.
Okay, we have to leave a tip on it to put it away. Alright, put it away. Now flip it over.
Go.
Thank you. There's another one.
Yeah.
And there's the top.
Yeah.
Good work. Can Daddy look in the mirror with it?
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
I do it.